Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Telegram account step by step. Deleting your account will permanently remove your messages, contacts, groups, and other account data. So make sure you've backed up anything important before you continue. So let's get started. First, open your web browser on your computer and go to the Telegram account deactivation page. Sign in using the phone number associated with your Telegram account. Telegram will send a confirmation code to your Telegram app. Open the Telegram app on your phone or computer and check for the message containing the login code. Enter the confirmation code on the website and sign in. Once you're signed in, click Delete Account. Telegram will ask you to confirm your decision. You can enter a reason for leaving if you'd like, but this step is optional. Next, click Delete My Account. A final confirmation message will appear. Click Yes, Delete My Account to permanently delete your Telegram account. Your account and its associated data will now be permanently removed. Keep in mind that once your account is deleted, it cannot be recovered, and you'll need to create a new account if you decide to use Telegram again in the future. If you don't want to delete your account immediately, you can also configure Telegram to automatically delete your account after a period of inactivity through the app's privacy settings. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Telegram account permanently. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Telegram tips, messaging app tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next video.